How to create a YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel is where you group the videos you make and upload, you watch and like, and the playlists of videos you create. Your YouTube channel will have a web address, URL, that you can promote on your website or marketing material. People can subscribe to your channel on your computer. Open the Microsoft Edge browser, or your favorite browser like Firefox, Google Chrome, or Opera, depends on your convenience. Type the website of YouTube, www.youtube.com, and hit enter. In the upper right corner, there's a sign in button and click it. Sign in using your Gmail email account in the username and password login field screen. If you don't have a Gmail, click Create Account, which will show the choices either for yourself, for your child, or to manage your business. Select which one suits your requirement, and follow the on-screen instruction. Now, I will log in with my Gmail account. I am now inside. In the upper right corner, there's an icon using the first letter of your account. Click to show the options like Create a Channel and many more. The most common of the rest is YouTube Studio, which you have to access now and then. Let's click Create a Channel. Name the channel as your name, or relate it to the content you're planning to create. For this tutorial, I will put the name GB Arinsel. Then click Create Channel button. You can update the profile picture later. You've now successfully created the YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.